In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors on a single layer for a photo negative effect. If you've ever wanted that dramatic photo negative look or needed to quickly flip colors for a graphic, this is the simplest way to do it. We'll keep it clean, consistent, and focused so you get exactly the result you expect without affecting anything else in your project. First, make sure you've selected the layer you want to change. This part is important because the command we're about to use only applies to the active layer. Look at your layers panel and click the one you intend to modify. If you don't see a highlight or an indicator on that layer, it might not be active yet. Double check that you're not accidentally selecting a group or a different layer beneath it. Next, go to the top menu and choose Edit, then Tonal Correction, and click Reverse Gradient. Depending on your software, this option may be labeled Invert Color or simply Invert. The function is the same. The moment you apply it, the colors on that layer flip to their opposites, similar to a film negative. Black turns to white, white becomes black, and hues shift to their complementary counterparts. Reds become cyan, greens become magenta, and blues become yellow. It's instant and very visual. If you only want part of the layer inverted, set up a selection first. Any active selection will act like a boundary, and the inversion will only happen inside that area. This is helpful when you want to isolate an object, highlight a subject, or create contrast between foreground and background. Make sure your selection surrounds exactly what you want affected. Clean edges here will give you a cleaner result. When you apply the command with a selection active, anything outside that selection stays unchanged on the same layer. If you try it and don't like how it looks, you can undo immediately with Ctrl+A. That takes you right back to where you started, so you can adjust your choice of layer or refine your selection and try again. There's no penalty for experimenting, and undo keeps your workflow flexible. That's all there is to it. Select the correct layer, apply Edit, Tonal Correction, Reverse Gradient, and optionally target just a portion by making a selection beforehand. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for creative effects or quick color checks. Give it a try on different layers to see how it transforms your artwork, and use undo anytime to iterate until it feels just right.